I'm excited to be here. It's Ruthie Rocks, aka Ruthie Allbrand, and it's another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. We just love Las Vegas. Love, love, love Las Vegas. So much that I named my company that. A true story. You know me, my dog's name is Be Happy, the company's Love Las Vegas, and away we go. So we've got 20 days of inventory. That's fine. We're churning because we were selling 127 homes a day. Just remember, if we didn't have inventory, we couldn't sell 127 homes a day. So that makes a big difference. We have 1,788 single-family homes, which is down from the other day when we were up in, I think, 1833 or something. But anyway, 16 of those we just listed are 450,000 and under, and 457 active homes 450,000 and under. So that is awesome. And I need to get my earphones on. Hang on. All righty. That way, if Jimmy pops on, I can hear him. I don't think he's going to pop on today. Let me make sure. Unless he's being a quiet mouse. No, he's not here today. All right. He might jump in. You never know about Jimmy. That's what I love about him. Spontaneity. So we are selling... we're still selling almost $4.5 million homes a day. We have 429 available, so that's up a little bit. So we might see that 4.5 go above 4.5 like it was last year. And we have sold 2,798 homes so far this month in Clark County. So there's a difference here. Up here in the daily recap, it says Valley zip codes, meaning only those zip codes, not Boulder City, not Pahrump, and not Mesquite. And then down here, this is Clark County. So this goes a little bit around where I go. So this does include Boulder City. So anyway, it makes a little bit of a difference. Not a big difference, though. Maybe 1 or 2 home difference. It's really not that much per day as far as daily sales. Last year we were doing 147, still having that pent-up pandemic surge. This and of course the the median price was $365, and the interest rates were below 4. So that makes a big difference. Well, I don't know if it's a big difference, but it makes a difference, right? The first-time home buyer. We're going to kind of look at some stats today. People are making more money. People have more money, so we'll see. The investors, oh my gosh, the non-owner occupieds, 45 sales a day. And if you are looking for a niche, this would be a wonderful niche. And there is a fellow out of Minnesota who is 33 years old, and he owns 700 units. He's been investing since he was in his early 20s. And the first thing he went out and did is buy a house. And then he got into real estate, and he decided that who cares about anything but appreciation? He wanted to have the cash flow to pay the mortgage, but he didn't get all hung up on cash flow at his age. And that depends on not just your age, but your financial situation. So he decided, well, he was going to continue to buy homes. And because he did his homework, he looked at the history and saw how homes do appreciate over time. And so he figured, hey, I got time. So if right now you can buy homes and get cash flow if time is not on your side, like on his side, right? But my gosh, there's a lot of millennials out there that should be buying investment properties and building their portfolios and creating wealth for their future. Let's see. Anything other remarkable? We only listed 72 homes yesterday. So, but I will see that increase between now and Monday. And of course, let's see. Today's the 23rd, so next Thursday will be the last day of the month. So next Friday we'll see how we did for the month of March. Exciting. I think you're going to see this number probably jump up to 130 at least. I wouldn't be surprised.